Binance versus Bybit. What should I choose? In the last few years, countless crypto trading platforms have popped up from every corner of the world. For a beginner trader or even an experienced trader trying to explore other options, there are numerous options. But this raises the issue of, which one do I choose? The platform you choose to trade on can largely impact the kind of decisions you make, the opportunities you are exposed to, and ultimately the amount of profit you make. This is why it is vital to choose the right platform so as not to sell yourself short or even lose your funds. Binance and Bybit are excellent choices when it comes to trading crypto. They allow users to exchange one digital currency for another and exchange digital currency for fiat money. Still, they are different platforms with different specifications, so you must have adequate information to help you make the right choice. Should you choose Binance or Bybit? You will be able to decide by the end of this video. However, it should be noted that this and other videos on this channel are solely for educational and informative purposes and should not constitute financial advice. Remember once again, not to trade with more money than you can afford to lose. Overview of Binance and Bybit. The first step is to give you a general overview of both exchanges to get acquainted with them. Binance and Bybit are pretty similar, but there are apparent differences that should let you know which one is the right fit for you. So let's get into it. Binance features and benefits. Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world by trading volume, holding the top position in daily turnover. The platform was responsible for $7.7 trillion in crypto exchange in 2021, and the crypto exchange volume peaked at $76 billion. It is headquartered in Hong Kong, China. Before Binance became the #1 crypto exchange, it started as a cryptocurrency startup with its own coin, or native asset. Binance offers a vast selection of cryptocurrencies. Users can access as many as 530 crypto-to-crypto trading pairs, from DeFi tokens to meme coins like Shiba Inu. Because of its wide selection of cryptos, it is one of the most liquid derivatives exchanges in the market. As a trader on Binance, you get to make a profit regardless of the market's direction. Founder. Binance was founded by Changpeng Zhao, known in the crypto community as CZ. He was born in Jiangsu, China, but moved to Canada with his family when he was young. Before Binance, Zhao was part of the team that developed blockchain.info. He also served as Chief Technology Officer for OKCoin. He is ranked 113th in the world on the Bloomberg Billionaires Index list. He has a sort of celebrity status in the crypto industry through Binance, placing him in the leagues of the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto and Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin. Pros. Binance is the preferred crypto exchange for many traders because of its superior functions, which make it rank high among its peers. Here are some of the advantages of using Binance. Binance offers trading leverage of 1 to 100. It offers lower trading and non-trading fees. With Binance, traders can open 3 fiat currency accounts. Users have access to derivatives, ETFs, and NFTs. Users also don't have to pay any withdrawal fee. The platform has an easy-to-use interface. It also supports 17 languages. Additionally, Binance allows users to earn passive incomes through staking and mining pools. Cons. Binance is the #1 crypto exchange, so it might be difficult to point out its errors because it has only very few. But here are some reasons why you might want to rethink using Binance. It has no Tier 1 regulation. User onboarding. The Binance onboarding process is simple and quick. On the home page, you can pick the sign-up option and create a free account by entering your email or mobile number and password. Then you have to go through security verification and verify your email. To buy crypto for the first time, you will be prompted to provide information like your country and payment details. Broker presentation. The Binance Link program, launched in 2019, allows partners to earn significant rebates and commissions on trading fees Binance receives through their efforts. They also benefit from Binance's liquidity, market depth, asset management, security infrastructure, and personalized marketing support. Binance has over 100 Link partners that help grow the ecosystem. The platform provides order matching services, account management, and settlement systems to its Link partners. It has also introduced the Binance Futures Link Bonus Program to grow the ecosystem further. Community growth. In addition to being the largest exchange, Binance has a growing influx of new traders and has over 28.6 million active users. It also has a high level of web traffic. The platform takes its community very seriously and is constantly looking for ways to improve community members' experience on the platform. It offers programs like meetups and events where community members can share ideas in person and meet the Binance team, industry experts, and special guests. Another community-focused initiative is the Binance Angel program, which helps share Binance's vision with the world. In addition, the platform is active on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Audit policy. One of Binance's audit efforts is the Project Shield, a new level of protection launched in December 2012. Project Shield includes a thorough evaluation of potential projects against strict security, legal, and regulatory compliance standards, and ongoing performance for listed projects. Binance shares audit results with the audited projects to encourage improvement and provides real-time security incident assistance to the listed and listing project teams. Based on any security threat that might have come from the audit, the Binance security team supports project owners to improve and enhance vulnerabilities. Mission. Binance's mission is to provide the core infrastructure services for organizing the world's crypto. Commissions. Under Binance's referral program, users get up to 40% of trading commissions for every referral. Binance max maker and max taker is 0.1%. The minimum maker is 0.012%, while the minimum taker is 0.024%. They also charge 1% for debit or credit card purchases. For Binance futures trading, the max maker is 0.025, while the max taker is 0.04%. There is no minimum maker or taker. Bank transfer withdrawal fee is $1.5 and BTC withdrawal fee is 0.0001. Trading condition. Binance users are required to have a minimum deposit of $1. It offers leverage on futures that is a ratio of 1 to 100. With Binance, users can trade on 1,358 markets. They can also trade in other base account currencies aside from the US dollar, like euros, pounds, and more than 50 cryptocurrencies. Accepted deposit methods on Binance include bank transfer, credit or debit cards, electronic wallets, and crypto. Users can also make withdrawals through those four methods. Users can access orders including market, limit, stop loss, stop limit, and trailing stop. Bybit features and benefits. On the other hand, Bybit is one of the newer faces of the crypto industry. It debuted on the crypto scene in 2018. It is an independent platform for trading derivatives and it offers contracts of inverse and perpetual futures. The platform is easy to use with a user-friendly interface and 24/7 multilingual customer support. Users have access to orders like market order, limit order, and conditional order. Founder: Ben Zhao founded Bybit in 2018. Pros: Bybit is far from inferior to Binance. As much as Binance is a great platform, Bybit also has incredible features that users can take advantage of. Some of these features include: Bybit offers trading leverage of 1 to 100, like Binance. Users do not have to pay a deposit fee. Bybit offers market indicators. With Bybit, users have access to derivatives and NFTs. It also appreciates and qualifies researched info. Users can earn passive income with staking. Cons: Bybit is younger than Binance, so it undoubtedly has some restrictions that might make it less desirable. Here are a few of them. Like Binance, Bybit has no Tier 1 regulation. Users also have no access to a mining pool. The platform does not allow fiat withdrawal. It does not offer ETFs. User onboarding: setting up an account on Bybit is easy. All you have to do is visit the website, click on the Create Account option, and follow the prompts. You will be required to submit your email and a password you choose. Afterward, you will receive a verification code that is valid for 5 minutes. Once you confirm your account, you can start using the Bybit platform. Community growth: Bybit has over 10 million active users. The platform hit the 10 million users milestone in early September 2022. It is a growing platform with more users signing up every day. Community members have access to special offers and community events. They can also interact through the platform's social media accounts on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and so on. Mission: Bybit's mission is to empower crypto believers to achieve their dreams. Let our passion fuel your dreams. We built Bybit with the passion for helping crypto believers achieve their dreams and their freedom. Commission: Bybit max maker fee is 0.1%, just like its max taker, minimum taker, and minimum maker fees. It does not charge anything for debit or credit card purchases, meaning users can get it for free. Bybit futures trading fees, on the other hand, are varied. The max maker is minus 0.025%, and the max taker is 0.075%. The minimum maker is minus 0.0255%, while the minimum taker is 0.075%. It does not collect charges for debit or credit card withdrawals, but BTC withdrawals come at a 0.0005 fee. This makes it more expensive than Binance. Trading condition: Bybit requires a minimum deposit of $1, and it also offers trading leverage of 1 to 100. But unlike Binance, Bybit allows users to trade only 257 markets worldwide. Base currencies offered on the platform are also limited to crypto. Binance versus Bybit. Which one should I choose? In the race between Binance and Bybit, most traders feel Binance comes first. It offers better fee structure and better support, and it offers users more educational tools. But even if Binance is better than Bybit, the distance is very minute, and Bybit is definitely catching up fast. If you want to be part of a crypto community while it is still relatively young and growing, you could do much worse than Bybit. That said, you must understand the risks involved in both exchanges before pouring your coins into them. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.